Welcome to ClearRoadmap Comparison video. The comparison module search capabilities are identical to the search module's search capabilities. The layout, the features, functionality are 100% identical. So with that, we're not going to show you in this video how to utilize the search capabilities. Please see the search introductory video to learn the capabilities of searching using ClearRoadmap. Now let's jump right in and conduct the same search we did in the search video, PMA Originals, 510K, De Novo, Clinical Trials. Let's scroll down and we're going to select cardiovascular medical specialty, indication of use for the keyword sections, usage, device classification. Again, we're going to use the word stent. We're going to add the study outcomes as well as the keyword restenosis. Now let's search and see what kind of documents are returned. As we scroll down to look at the documents listed, in comparison mode we can select up to 3 devices to review their detailed information. Let's compare and see what type of information are in the documents for these 3 devices. We default the view with several fields, but as you can see on the left-hand side, you can open up the 6 groupings of categories and select additional fields such as date received, contraindications, adverse effects. For clinical trials, we can open up and add the study type, and scroll down and even select the eligibility age, maybe the masking of the study, and look at eligibility criteria and purpose and primary outcomes side by side. For the recalls, again, we'll, just like in search, we'll look at manufacturer reason, cause, action, and quantity and commerce. For manufacturers, let's take a look to see what contacts are for these product codes. Now, manufacturer data is linked less to the device and more to the product code. Now, scrolling down, we can see there's quite a few supplements for the device on the right, and we can now see the usage description side by side. Indications of use, contraindication, adverse effects, and then we scroll down further. Only 2 have biocompatibility noted in their documents. And when there's no data, we indicate that there's no published data found. A note on the recognized standards information. These titles are the FDA titles for the recognized standard. And once again, you can look at the clinical trial design information that's in the registries side by side. This can help you design or think about, from a strategic perspective, what type of clinical trial your device may need. The CMS and CDS are both the national and local coverage URLs for policies. The better displays in the reports. Let's take a look at how to create a report. Very easily add each of the devices to a report cart and generate a report. You can have up to 10 devices to report, so you'll be flagged if you have less than 10 devices. Create your own report name, and then OK and save. It's that easy. While it's generating the report, you need to stand by, and then the report will be available in the reports module for you to manage. Once the report's generated, you'll come back to the comparison mode. If you want to go back to searching, just browse back, and then you can start all over. and we're going to use the word restenosis. Again, we're going to use the word stent, and we're going to add study outcome as well as restenosis. Again, we're going to use the indication of use, usage, device classification. Keyword's going to